Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a BMW X1. This is for the F48. So BMW X1 key fob. This is for the F48. This is model years 2015 to 2019. So if you have this kind of sleek looking key fob, to access the internal battery, depress this side button here that removes the valet key. So once you remove the valet key, you'll see there's a little bit of a kind of a very small hole. Gives you access. It's kind of a perfect spot for a small flathead screwdriver. And if you just put the flathead screwdriver in there, you can pop off this back really easily. You could even take the key itself, the valet key, and insert it in there and use that to kind of pry open the back here. This will give you access to the internal replaceable battery that we need to replace. So the battery that you'll need is a CR2032, and pop this out. I'd say come from the top here is the easiest way because this bottom holder's here kind of tight. Pop this out, get a new CR2032, and just make sure the positive side with the lettering etched on the battery is towards you, and put in the base here first. Pop that in. Put in your back here and kind of replace the slanted side first. Kind of it makes it easier to put that in. Pop it in, put your valet key back in, and boom, that's how you replace the replaceable battery on the BMW X1. That's for the F48 series and versions for model years 2015 to 2019.